Flowers aren't the only thing growing this spring. Here at Busy Busy, we're growing our features to make Busy Busy even better. And we have some new and exciting updates to tell you about. Like our third level activity reports, customizable checklists within our daily project reports, the ability to print your job site photos right from within Busy Busy, an improved company cam integration, and finally, we've made it easier and faster for you to sign, highlight, and draw on documents from your phone and then save your edited documents back to our document library. Let's start with our third level activity reports because they are amazing. At first glance, our new activity reports might look the same as the old ones. Here are all my projects with time tracked to them for this specific time range. I can click on a project and see all the employees that worked on that project, or see a breakdown of cost codes for this project, or equipment. But what if I wanted to be even more specific and see not only which employees worked on this project during the pay period, but the specific cost codes each employee worked on for this project during this pay period? Here's where you can take your second level reporting to a third level report. And it's done with this little drop-down menu right here. Right now it's set to basic, but if I click on it and change it to cost codes, now it's going to show me all the cost codes that each employee worked on during this pay period for this project. Or I can see all the equipment each employee worked on during this pay period for this project. Or I can select the day, and it will show me the specific days each employee worked on this project during this pay period. There are just so many different reports you can generate now. I can change my second level from employees to equipment and set my third level to employees. Now I can see all the equipment used on this project broken down by the employees that used each piece and for how long. I can go back to the first level, start with a date range, set a date range by months, select a specific month, and see all the cost codes used that month, and then add a third level to see an exact breakdown of the projects that used each cost code that month. I could show you guys examples of third level activity reports all day, but I won't. Hopefully I've shown you enough that you are saying to yourself, yes, this is exactly what I'm looking for. And you'll check out this new feature by going to your own activity reports and creating some third level reports for yourself. Have you ever wanted to add a checklist to a daily report, giving your guys the ability to quickly check off what they did that day? Well, now you can. Let me start by showing you what our customizable checklist within your daily project report can look like. Here's a daily project report where a supervisor can show which phases of the project have been completed. Here's a checklist added to a safety briefing where a supervisor can quickly check off what he's included in his briefing. You can make any type of checklist and include it within a report that's easily accessible for your employees to check off. Checklists can be added many different ways, including adding them to report templates by clicking the gear icons in the different sections. You can also add checklists to report types that you've already made by doing the same thing, by clicking the gear icon in the section of the report you want your checklist to appear in, including your custom sections. You can create a report with just one checklist or multiple checklists by adding one to each section if you want. After you've added checklists to a report template, here's what it will look like when your employees fill them out from their mobile device. They'll open daily project reports, select the project they're working on, and then choose the report template with the added checklists. Checklists that have been added will appear at the bottom. Your employees click on the checklist title, check the boxes, and add any descriptions that they might want to add. A little check mark will appear next to the checklist title showing them that the checklist has been filled out. If they forget to complete a checklist, they will be reminded to do so with a little prompt. When they preview the report, it will show them their checklist answers. Checklist answers can also be edited before the report is submitted by clicking out of the preview and making the desired changes. Once the report is signed and submitted, it will appear back in the daily report library where the report with checklists can be viewed, shared, or printed if you want. You can find multiple articles in our Help Center showing you how to add checklists to your report. And I'll also add links to those articles in the video notes below. If you currently have daily project reports enabled on your account, then you can start adding checklists to your reports today. If you don't have daily project reports turned on, reach out to us to start using this amazing premium feature. I hope you're stocked up on printer ink because now you can print your job site photos right from within BusyBusy. Simply select the date range you want to print photos for, add any additional filters like a specific project, and then hit the print icon to print the photos from that project for that date range. Photos will print one per page in a professional layout and include important information like the project name, the date and time the photo was taken, who uploaded the photo, and any notes that might have been attached to the photo. Our users have been able to integrate with CompanyCam for a while now, and our CompanyCam integration works wonderfully to import your CompanyCam photos into BusyBusy, as well as sync your new projects from one to the other. With this update, we've made a few improvements to make our integration even better. Previous to this release, new projects created in BusyBusy would sync to CompanyCam. Now with this release, users can choose whether to sync new projects from BusyBusy to CompanyCam or from CompanyCam to BusyBusy. And this feature doesn't just work for users integrating with CompanyCam for the first time. Those of you who are currently already integrated with CompanyCam, we've made it easy for you to change the direction your projects sync if you want. We also allow users to disable photo syncing and give users the ability to view and modify project mapping. I won't take the time right now to go into the details, but there are 2 articles and how-to videos in our Help Center that will give you more details and show you how to do it. I'll include a link to both of those articles down in the video notes section below, or you can just search for them in our Help Center. And finally, we've made our document feature easier to use than ever. Speaking to those of you with an iPhone, now when you open a PDF within your document library to sign it or highlight or draw on it, you can use our in-app editing feature to save your signed or edited document as a new and separate document. Our Save As feature makes it very fast and easy for all of you iOS users out there to sign or edit a document and have a copy of that document with a new name automatically appear back into your document library. If you're an Android user like me, don't worry, it's also fast and easy to sign, save, and share edited documents back into our document library. Just like our daily project reports with checklists, our document feature is also an add-on feature, as well as part of our premium package. So if you don't currently have documents, but I've piqued your interest with my very brief demo here, then reach out to us and you can schedule a time to talk about not only adding documents to your plan, but daily project reports with checklists as well. And that brings me to the end of this new release video. I've loved telling you about our 3rd level activity reports, daily project report checklists, our new job site photo print option, the updates to our CompanyCam integration, and telling you iOS users about the Save As feature. I also love showing off all the amazing work that our developers and designers are doing to make BusyBusy the best time tracking app on the market. I'll be back soon with even more updates. Until then, you know what to do. Stay busy.